guys, it's Evan, and welcome back to Emilie and Evan's place. Today we're gonna do a mystery snack challenge, and I'm with my cousin Elisa, and let's get started.
Item number 1. Try it. You can just get it off, put it out in the napkin. Okay, that one. You ready to try it?
One of those little tomatoes.
Oh.
Okay.
Ew. It's wet.
Round number 2.
Great.
Yeah, perfect.
What I do?
Well, I know this.
Cherry.
Round number 4.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Okay.
Oh no.
Round number 5.
Ew, what the heck is this? It's so weird.
It's for caramel.
Those little thingies that I taste ones that are caramel and
Those things that your dad bought at the Thomas farm.
yeah, I don't want it. And
Round
over.
number 6.
With them, they're good.
The burger sounds like it.
Oh, offensive.
Round number 7.
Go for the last one.
Pringle.
It's a Pringle. Crisper Pringle.
Pizza Pringle. This is actually really good.
Last round. Round number 8.
What flavor?
I didn't taste it yet. It's just Starburst, of course.
What flavor?
Mine's like the yellow one or the orange one.
I'll move it.
Lemon.
The pink one. It's the lemon one.
Oh. Hey guys, I hope you enjoy our video, and if you want more videos like this, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell us what we should do next.
And click the notification bell.
So after you never miss out on a video. And enjoy. Bye.